Hello, welcome. It's Ambi from AmbeeRay Nails, and today we are going to be doing tortoiseshell nails. Let's get right into it. You're going to need some jelly yellow or orange if you prefer. Lots of people do. I like the yellow. I think it pops more. Jelly color is just a translucent color that you can see through. If you don't have any, you can make some by dropping a drop of your regular color into some base coat, mixing it together until it's see-through. Once you paint that on, pop that in the lamp for 1 minute. Okay, once that is cured, we're going to go in with some blooming gel. If you don't have blooming gel, then you can use base coat and just leave it uncured. It doesn't bloom as much, but it will work. We're going to paint a layer on there real thin. Forgot to mention that we're going to do every layer super thin because there's going to be so many layers in this design. You don't want your nail to be too thick. Okay, do not cure that. Now you're going to take a dotting tool or a brush. Up to you. Get some of your jelly brown. A dark jelly brown works best. And you are just going to blob it on. You don't want it to be perfectly round because if you look at a tortoiseshell, their spots are not perfectly round. And you want kind of a lot of the brown because it shows up not as well as the black. Just make blobbies. Doesn't matter where you put them. I know that you can't see it very well yet, but it is a trust the process kind of situation here. I'll put just a little bit down here. Okay. Now with blooming gel, it runs everywhere. So you have to make sure that you wipe your edges. That is why I am wearing gloves. I actually always wear gloves, but this is why you should be wearing gloves. And you wipe your edges clean because it will run down there and it will change the shape of the nail. Back into the lamp for a minute. There we go. Now that that has cured, we are going to do another coat of our jelly yellow. Again, just a nice thin coat. Back in the lamp. After it's cured for a minute, we're going to go back in with our blooming gel. And we are just going to repeat the same thing that we did with the brown, kind of in the same spots. So just a thin layer of blooming gel. Back in with the brown. It's kind of hard to see where you did it before, but well, it doesn't have to be perfect. In fact, it's better that it's not. Let that bloom for just a second. And we're going to go ahead and wipe our edges again. Very important. Back in the lamp. Okay, that is cured for a minute. And now we're going to go back in with our blooming gel one more time here. And I hope you wiped off your dotting tool because now we're going to be going in with just regular black. Not jelly black, just regular black. We're going to get a little bit of that on our dotting tool. We're going to be making a lot smaller spots this time. It can overlap what you've already done. Make sure that you are leaving yellow because you want some of that poking through there. Can you see that in the camera there? It's kind of hard to see. Gonna need the light to shine through it. And we're gonna go ahead and we are going to wipe our edges again. And that was a lot. Back in the lamp. One more minute. Okay, now that that is cured, we're going back in with our jelly yellow again. Really make that background pop. Back in the lamp. Another minute. Okay, that is cured. Now all we gotta do is top coat. I am going to be using a glow-in-the-dark top coat because I just think it makes it a little more fun. You gotta have a light hand with the glow-in-the-dark top coat, especially on dark colors like black. It will dull the color. But there you go, back in the lamp one more time. And there we go. There's your finished product, your tortoiseshell nail. And this is what they look like on. I hope you liked today's tutorial. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment, and share. I will see you in the next one. Have a great and beautiful day, friends.